Sleep is essential. You can't function or survive without it. While your body is resting, your brain is a flurry of activity, organizing the day's events and filing them into storage for easy retrieval later. It also catches up on housekeeping, clearing away wastes that build up during the day. The more deeply you sleep, the more effective your brain is at cleaning itself. Adults typically need 7 to 9 hours of sleep for maximum brain performance, but many of us don't get it. Too little sleep negatively affects your ability to remember and concentrate. It can also make you moodier and more irritable, increasing the risk of anxiety and depression. In addition, going too long without sleep has similar effects to being drunk, impairing judgment and performance, and increasing the risk of accidents and injuries. Over time, a lack of adequate sleep may also increase the risk of dementia. To ensure you're getting enough sleep, practice good sleep hygiene. Put away electronic devices an hour before bedtime and do something relaxing. Go to bed at the same time each night and wake up at the same time each morning. Avoid stimulants like caffeine in the late afternoon or evening, and alcohol and heavy meals before bedtime. Keep your bedroom quiet, cool, and dark, and try to get in at least 30 minutes of moderately intense exercise on most days, which can improve both sleep and your overall health. The better you sleep at night, the better your brain will function and the better you'll feel. So remember, prioritize your sleep for a sharper mind and a happier life.